Since COVID hit, we're expecting a hard downward pressure on the marketplace. We all expect that. We understand it. I'm not going to be politically correct and try to cover that up. So thanks for watching. This is James Robertson, and I wanted to take a quick timeout. And the setting's different. I'm not in my office. I am not using a bunch of lights and mics. I am actually at Lake Livingston. I took the family out to go just spend some time and enjoy each other and do what a lot of you guys are doing, which is working remotely. And what I want to do today is I want to share with you my thoughts about what the Houston market is actually doing through COVID-19 and what I would do as a tenant in this market, using my experience with over a decade in commercial real estate. Now, the first thing I'll tell you is the Houston market in general has been very conservative when it comes to construction, and that has helped the Houston market by keeping rental rates pretty much stable for years. Since COVID hit, we're expecting a hard downward pressure on the marketplace. We all expect that. We understand it. I'm not going to be politically correct and try to cover that up. I think it's an opportunity for tenants. I think it's an opportunity for small business owners. It's an opportunity for corporations to push that flight to quality. We're seeing developers, we're seeing asset owners of all classes looking at, how do I make my property better? How do I make it fit the end user, the tenant, to make them want it more? How do I accommodate this remote working environment? What should I be looking at for millennials who, ironically enough, are desiring to be in office space about 2 to 3 times a week? What do I need to do to accommodate my older baby boomer generation who wants to be in the office a lot less, which surprised me personally. I think this is a great thing for the market. For me as a broker, I'm looking at consulting my clients on what's best for them. The opportunities are bigger. The opportunities are better. People are going to have a chance to save more. They're going to have a chance to get more in the Houston market. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of the oil and gas industry. I want them to succeed and thrive. They're going to have more opportunities than they've ever had before. That's my take on it. I'm a fan of local business. I love local business. They're going to have more opportunities than we've had in a very long time in the way of office space. And I think the same for retail space. So to wrap things up, if you were a tenant, and most of you are, how would you look at this market? I'm going to do 2 words: opportunity and timing. You're going to have opportunity in this market. You are. Timing is going to be important. And I think the timing in this next 6 to 12 months, where landlords are trying to figure out what's going on, how do we reassess this environment, while they're talking to brokers like us about how they should position themselves. I think in that uncertainty is an opportunity to capture some great deals. And we're doing it right now. So I want to encourage you, if you're in a blend and extend situation where you've got some time to consider your lease, you should start talking to your broker of choice, your advisors, on how should you play the market. You need to be looking at which landlords are nervous right now. They're going to be much more aggressive. You're going to have a chance to upgrade your space substantially and get more bang for your buck than you've ever had in my recent memory. So this is a time to be excited. The market always has ups and downs, and people that thrive in this market are seeking out those opportunities and taking advantage of them. I'm one of those people. I see opportunities there. We're going to take advantage of those, and I think that as the coming weeks go on, we're going to have more discussions on what's happening in the markets. And if you have a question on a particular market or a particular building, just put it in the comments. Send me a message. I'll put my information in. If this is on LinkedIn, you can click me and connect with me directly. If this is on YouTube or Facebook, I'll put my information in the description. But reach out to me. We could talk shop about the market, and I can show you where some of these opportunities that we are discovering actually are. So this is James Robertson signing off at my remote workplace here at Lake Livingston, and I'll be talking to you guys next week. Take care, guys.